Hello.
Yay! So today is shodai
Yeah, and it's like a summer collection. So I'll give something to Yuki because she's hungry.
The middle.
Is that chocolate? Okay. So there's a lot of chocolate. So I'll go like this. There you go. You can try that. Okay. This summer collection. So we come in here to look. It looks pretty amazing so far. So you go here now. This is like some blood orange jelly, I think. Do you like it? No, she likes it. Okay. And like a whole mixture of cakes here, so go for it, girls. I'll have a look at these here. It's pretty amazing stuff. This is like one of my favorite cake shops because they're organic, mostly organic. If you want to try it, then go for it, girls. Just eat it. This is like wine taste jam or something. And then this is blood orange. Who wants a little taste of mine first? Not, it's wine. Oh, that's right. Sorry, it's real wine. Who wants a little taste of peach?
Peach? This one is Yuki.
No, Yuki? Want to try this, Yuki? Wow, this is amazing.
Puri. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Puri de torechau.
Wow, it tastes like really nice wine. It's delicious. I don't know what yours tastes like, but this is crazily nice.
Did you want some?
I don't know if that's alright or not. No, that's absolutely delicious. Unbelievable. Are you alright there, Yuki? Do you need some help? Yuki. What is this? Okay, I'm going to take some of this. It looks like a matcha cake or something.
Oh, it's so good. ちょっと溶けた感じがする。手使ったらなんか。これなんだろう。あ、これ食べてみよう。危ない。これなんだろう。スプーン。何これ？スプーンかな。スプーンね。まあこれはゼリーのだから。まあこれ食べちゃおう。手で食べる。
Delicious? It's absolutely delicious. Yep, go for it. I'll try it as well, same time. Ready? Wow, that's amazing.
Yummy.
We bite into it, and you think, okay, that's all right, and then boom, it's great. It's amazing. So. Try. 見て、裏知らんかったも俺だった。Okay. Ready, set. Okay. Ready, set. Let's go.
Yummy.
There's so many different ones to try. What's this one? What flavour would you girls like? Ice cream. This one? This one?
This are gonna go green.
Green?
Maybe white.
White? Okay, yeah, white looks delicious. And I'll try. Hello. This is Sleepy Baby. You're a sleepy baby, aren't you?
Daddy, try this.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, yes, this. Let's try this. Are you ready?
Let's
go.
Let's see.
That's so good, eh, girls? This is Naughty Baby because she's tired. Okay, so just get ready for the ride. I'll hit this one. What's this one? It's ice cream.
Is it there? Brown? Maybe chocolate?
Coffee?
Oh.
Delicious, smells good.
硬い硬い硬い硬い。硬い硬い硬い硬い硬い硬い硬い硬い。Ready, set, go.
Yeah.
Let it go. バカトンやね。ちょっとスプーン持ってて。So this is vanilla.
A vanilla?
Well,
Well, this is so amazing stuff. I think this
Strawberry.
is chocolate.
This
So I'll try this one.
Strawberry. Of course.
It must be really nice. Strawberry, right?
Ah, しまった。塊が真ん中がなんかジャムかな。
If you like chocolate,
ジャムだと思う。なんかの種類のバナナじゃなくてあれなんかのジャムかな。なんかいちごなのかぶどうなのかなんか酸っぱい気がする。
that's a chocolate explosion. Really good. What's this one? Caramel. This one is. No. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. バナナ柔らかいんだ。
Okay, everyone ready to try this?
バナナが入ってる。Ready?
Set, go.
同じく言ったね。花田そっち狭いでしょ。モモがこう行けば、花田のこっちのお皿持ってくる。でも何も食べるの。
That was nice, but well, the chocolate was so good. But that's nice.
Why did you cut this up?
I didn't. Nikki did it. She's naughty mode at the moment. Oh, she's tired mode. She's really asleep. Okay. Some nice cherry blossom tea or sakura.
Yummy? Yummy?
It's very smooth, very yummy. Yuki is naughty. I apologise in advance. Yuki can.
Hana doesn't have macaron.
Somebody's got it.
But one Hana's one is
That's
one
alright.
side.
Yuki's gone. Yuki's gone.
Right.
Yuki.
まあこれ取っちゃう。もうしーちゃん、だってしーちゃんもからない。
That's really delicious.
ねえこれパウちゃん。いただきます。いただきます。フルーツパンみたいなものが出てくる。
Is she alright?
しーちゃん、後ろ誰かあるよ。後ろ誰かあるよ。
Okay, let's try this one. I don't know what it is. Yuki's in the distance there doing something. Let's go.
いただきます。いただきます。
It's like coming on a nut. Lovely.
すごいやつやな。
I'm not watching, just do what you need to do. This is sleepy baby time. My God. That is so good. That is amazing. That is unbelievable. Pity you girls can't taste it. That isn't. This little thing here is incredible. Let's try this.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
すごいいちごの匂いがする。いちごが多い。でもレースいいし。ああ。いちごがすごい柔らかい。
Yummy. I already finished it. How's your ice cream going, Yuki? Aren't you lucky? You get to have shodai's ice cream. Aren't you lucky, baby?
Daddy.
Good job, Yuki.
Daddy, remember, keep some for mommy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this is almost 100% organic. Are you ready? Okay, good night. I'm going.
Daddy, what is this fruit?長いもんね。両眼だって。
So good. It's so smooth. It's just a smooth taste cake.
ふわふわ。ふわふわです。食べやすい。ね。
Okay, are you ready to try this one? I don't think you tried this one.
見て、フルーツ。
Ready, set, go.
なんかラズベリーみたいなやつが入ってる。イチジクも。Like this sweet and raspberry.
So delicious. This one, this is incredible. This little thing here. Is it rose in there or something?
What? White chocolate?
Pass me that plate, please.
Daddy. どうぞ。
Wow, look at that thing. That's amazing.
What is that on top one?
I'm not too sure what that is.
I was wondering just then.
I can just smell chocolate.
Yeah, I can smell only
That's so
chocolate.
good.
Maybe it's some kind of herb.
Is that kind of us finished the tasting? Because that was absolutely amazing. But Yuki's a bit grumpy, so actually I'm going to do this. I'm sorry. Yuki, what are you up to, Yuki? Hi, baby. Look at us, Yuki. Show everybody YouTube then.
Look, that's famous. でもこんなのはない。
That chocolate is so good. My goodness. That's so delicious, that chocolate. I'm going to taste this orange one. I'll tell you what it tastes like this. Well, you did a good job, Yuki. You were tired. She was tired and she did a good job. High five, Yuki. Good job.
Hey, what?
I don't know.
Good job.
I don't know what it is.
Good job.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Wow, that was a mission. Good job, Yuki.
Daddy, I just did this.